Hi guys. Welcome to JACT videos. In this video, I am going to unbox and do a review of my new Dewalt 20V Max Impact Driver. The new DCF887D2 Dewalt Impact Driver is one of the most powerful impact drivers on the market, and it comes in an incredibly lightweight and compact package. The Impact Drive is top of the line. There are other less expensive impact drivers out there, but they aren't nearly as impressive as this one is. This tool is definitely worth the money over some of the less expensive options. Dewalt has packed this tool with increased options and features, including a new 3-speed adjustable power setting, that will help for those situations, when gentle power is needed more than extreme power to finish the work. I like the mechanical switches as opposed to blister buttons. They are more reliable and durable than their electric counterparts. The Impact Driver maintains 429 RPM under load, and they included the ability to adjust the max torque settings on the tool. There are currently 3 settings: 250 max torque, 1500 max torque, and 1800 max torque. This will allow for more control in those situations, when lighter power is needed more than raw power. The first and lowest setting of the tool is called Precision Drive. This is an awesome addition to this tool. This drive is perfect for those situations where you need to be more careful with how you drive screws in, such as when doing kitchen cabinetry. The Impact Driver automatically will slow down and give additional control when driving in screws in this mode. Not only does this Impact Driver boast an impressive amount of torque, but Dewalt managed to keep the tool at a minimal 2.2 pounds, without the battery. This will be a major help for when you use the tool constantly for hours. This new functionality has made impact drivers a better all-around tool. Dewalt has decided to use 3 separate LED lights that circle the shaft of the driver. Having multiple lights in different locations has greatly helped reduce the issue of having your light source obstructed in tight spots. The lights illuminate for during use and remain on for 20 seconds after when the trigger was pressed last. The length of the tool to only 5.3 inches. This will help with maneuvering the tool around tight spaces. I am going to use this tool mostly for driving 2.5 to 3 inch deck screws on treated wood material. It is very lightweight compared to the older Dewalt drills, with the heavier batteries. A fully charged battery would last up to 4 hours in duration. Charge time with the included charger is about 1 hour for a complete charge. The drill has plenty of torque for about any common drill and gond fastening job within its capabilities. It's definitely a major bang for your buck purchase. In terms of getting your money's worth, I cannot recommend this tool enough. I would highly recommend this Impact Driver. Thank you for watching JACT videos. If you liked this video and find it helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Please remember to leave your comments as well.